Tonight, Southeast San Diego residents hit hard by flooding 2 weeks ago went to City Hall demanding more action from local leaders as they continue to recover.
CBS 8's Jasmine Ramirez joins us live from Southcrest, where residents say they need a lot more help. Jasmine?
Yes, well, we've been speaking with the residents who live along the street, and they say they are not able to live in their houses because of the flood damage they experienced 2 weeks ago. Some families say they've even been sleeping in their cars. Floodwaters came rushing through Southcrest on January 22nd.
All the losses that they lost everything, just like me, take it all of the downstairs because everything was contaminated with sewage water.
This is Martin Aguilar. He was one of the Southcrest residents who attended tonight's city council meeting.
They need to put us in another place temporary out of the neighborhood because it's contaminated.
The city says it opened a hotel in Midway to house families and that the Housing Commission triaged more than 250 households for emergency housing needs. However, there are families like Martin's who are still waiting for help.
These are tough times.
Andrea Guerrero is the executive director of Alliance San Diego. She was helping Martin's family tonight.
It's really important that affected community members go to one of the assistance centers, like the Mountain View Assistance Center, that will reopen after the rains.
Once reopened, it's where residents can be put on a list that allows the city and county to better connect them with resources. This could include financial resources, as well as clothing, food, and information on tenant rights.
I think if we all pull together and everybody does their part, including the city, then we will get through this.
Now, there's no word on exactly when the assistance center will reopen, but I'm told it will likely be after this storm is over. Back to you all in the studio.